Have you guys seen this PSA? Oh, shit. Oh my God.
Robbie still keeps his boots. Nobody knows why. Not even Robbie. After all, they'll never be any use to him. Chances are he'll spend the rest of his life in his wheelchair.
Oh my gosh. These PSAs are intense. There are some more PSAs that I'm checking out in Australia and in Ireland too. There's this one about cars and kids or something. I need to check it out. Or I think like don't walk across the street texting or something. I can't wait. So traumatic and so effective. What the